Welcome back. If you're looking for the top 5 best soldering station kits of 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you're repairing electronics, working on DIY projects, building circuits, or handling professional soldering tasks, a reliable soldering station can make your work faster, cleaner, and much easier. In today's video, we'll take a look at 5 of the best soldering station kits available in 2026, focusing on features like temperature control, heating performance, precision, ease of use, and overall value for money. So, if you're searching for the right soldering station for your workshop or next project, stay tuned. Product links are provided in the description below, so you can check out the latest prices and details for each soldering station. Let's get started. 5. FNRC DWS 200. Upgrade your soldering experience with the FNRC DWS 200 Smart Soldering Station, a powerful and precision-focused tool designed for both professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts. With an impressive 200-watt output, it heats up in just 1 second and can melt solder in approximately 3 seconds, while the adjustable temperature range of 212 to 842 degrees Celsius gives you excellent control for different soldering tasks. Its 2.8-inch TFT HD display offers 3 display modes, including temperature value, temperature curve, and combined view, plus 3 preset temperature functions for quick access to your frequently used settings. The built-in sleep mode and automatic standby help extend accessory life and reduce energy consumption, while the included 2 helping hands with 360-degree adjustable alligator clips make precise soldering easier. The ergonomic F245 handle is suitable for both SMD work and high-power applications. And with 6 soldering iron tips, the DWS 200 is ready for everything from general repairs to detailed precision soldering. Check the Amazon link in the YouTube video description to learn more and get the FNRC DWS 200 for your workspace. 4. Fantic T1 Max. Meet the Fantic T1 Max, a compact and powerful cordless soldering iron designed to make repairs faster, easier, and more convenient. Equipped with 4 tailor-made C210 soldering tips, it heats up in just 7 seconds and offers excellent durability and oxidation resistance. Its built-in 26600 mAh battery provides up to 60 minutes of wireless operation at temperatures up to 840 degrees Fahrenheit, 450 degrees Celsius, while wired DC-AC operation delivers up to 16 watts of power through a Type-C charger or power bank. With intelligent gravity sensing, the T1 Max automatically enters sleep mode after 30 seconds of inactivity and quickly reheats when picked up again. 6 adjustable temperature levels from 390 to 840 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees to 450 degrees Celsius provide precise control for different repair tasks. Its compact design and aluminum storage stand keep your workspace organized and professional. Check out the Fantic T1 Max on Amazon using the product link in the YouTube video description and see if it's the right soldering tool for your repair and DIY needs. 3. WEP 927V. Upgrade your soldering projects with the WEP 927IV 110-watt soldering iron kit, designed for fast heating, precise temperature control, and a more organized workspace. Its powerful 110 watts heating element heats up quickly, while the adjustable temperature range of 90 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, 194 degrees to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, and dual digital display let you monitor both the set and actual temperature in real time. 3 preset temperature channels make switching between frequently used settings quick and convenient, while the sleep mode and adjustable 0 to 99-minute timer help reduce unnecessary wear and extend the station's lifespan. The compact all-in-one design combines the soldering iron, holder, tip cleaner, solder wire dispenser, helping hands, LED-lit magnifying glass, and tip storage slots, making it an excellent choice for electronics repair, DIY projects, hobbyists, and detailed micro-soldering work. The kit includes a complete range of useful accessories with helping hands for securely holding components and an LED magnifying glass for better visibility during precision work. Please note that the WEP 97IV uses WEP 1400 soldering iron tips, available separately in the manufacturer's store. It also includes 1-year USA technical support with 24-hour assistance. Important, this model is designed for 110 to 127 volt USA specifications and must not be connected to a 220 volt power socket. Check the product link in the YouTube video description for the latest price and availability. 2. Yihua 926-3. Upgrade your electronics repair and DIY projects with the Yihua 926-3 digital soldering station, a versatile 12-in-1 soldering kit designed for precision, convenience, and reliable performance. It heats up quickly and offers an adjustable temperature range of 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, while PID temperature stabilization helps maintain a consistent heat level during soldering. Its compact, space-saving design features an integrated soldering iron holder and protective rear mesh with built-in tip storage slots, helping keep your workspace organized and safe. The digital display and master control knob make it easy to adjust temperature, switch between greasy Cs and gritty FEF, calibrate temperature, and activate the adjustable 5, 10, 30-minute sleep mode, which helps reduce unnecessary wear on the tip and heating element. The complete 12-in-1 kit includes the Yihua 926-3 station, 2 helping hands, 6 soldering tips, lead-free solder wire, solder sucker, ESD-safe tweezers, solder wire dispenser, and cleaning sponge. Everything you need to get started. If you're looking for a practical soldering station for electronics repair, circuit boards, DIY projects, and hobby work, this Yihua kit is worth checking out. Check the Amazon link in the video description for the latest price and availability. Please note that this model is designed for 110 to 127 volt US standard power outlets. 1. Weller WE110NA. Upgrade your soldering experience with the Weller Digital Soldering Station, designed to deliver faster, more precise, and consistently reliable results. This powerful station is 40% more powerful than the 2 models it replaces, helping you complete soldering jobs more efficiently. Its high-performance 70-watt soldering iron features a heat-resistant silicone cable for safe and comfortable handling, while temperature stability of Pius 4 Dugarifus, 2 and a temperature lock function help protect both tips and sensitive components. With intuitive navigation, standby mode, automatic setback for energy conservation, and password protection to preserve your settings, this Weller station combines smart technology with professional-grade performance. The package includes the Whale 1 station 120 volts, WEEP 70 tip retainer, WEEP 70 iron, pH 70 safety rest with sponge, and ETA 0.62-inch 1.6mm screwdriver tip, making it an excellent choice for electronics repair, DIY projects, and professional soldering work. Check the Amazon link in the YouTube video description to learn more and see the latest price. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best soldering station kits of 2026. Whether you're a beginner, DIY enthusiast, electronics hobbyist, or a professional, any of these options can help you get more precise, reliable, and efficient soldering results. Don't forget to check the product links in the description to see the latest prices and details. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming product reviews and top 5 lists. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.